Christina here. Welcome to my channel, Magic Travels. Today I'm in LA at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. I'm so excited for this tour, especially for the Harry Potter stuff. Let's get started. Two of my best friends with me.
Hola, ¿cómo estás, people? Yeah.
Sandra, Daniela.
I'm Sandra. I just want to welcome everyone to Warner Brothers, give you a brief idea about what we're about to embark on. It's a historical and technical look at the studio. There are a couple ground rules. They're really, really simple. First one, when I'm driving the cart, just don't hop off of it.
Oh, look at the elevator. Oh my gosh.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
Okay, go for it. And then I'll take one of the whole group, okay?
Sheldon's fun.
Look at that. Oh, Sarah's fun. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Wonderful.
Okay, okay.
Smile.
Is that like a thing? Because I've seen people do it a lot.
This is my bachelorette party. Tea and quilts.
You're sending anything crazy.
I call it the cloning.
Just to let you know, this is Brandon. That's Penny.
Bernadette and Penny.
We used the broken elevator when they first started because they threw something down and it blew up, and that was it.
So it's been broken the whole
Pretty much, yes. Never worked. Never. Pin, 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 pin.
If it says anything other than Gryffindor, I'm gonna die.
Oh no, sorry.
Brave at heart, daring, better be Griffin.
Yes!
You're a total Hufflepuff.
You're bright as can be. With your intelligence, it's clear that you'll fit right in with Ravenclaw.
I guess. I don't know what that means.
I was like, she doesn't know.
Shrewd and sharp. Slytherin.
Slytherin.
That was quick as hell.
What is that? The WB tour was absolutely amazing. My favorite part was all the Harry Potter stuff. What did you guys like?
Of course, Big Bang Theory is my favorite.
Friends, obviously. Sitting on the couch. Yep.
I said in Shelley's spot. It felt pretty good.
You kind of
I tried on the sorting hat.
Listen,
It was amazing. I was confirmed as a Gryffindor.
I was a was he Ravenclaw?
You were a Ravenclaw,
Yes.
and Daniela was a Slytherin.
Even though you thought I was supposed to.
Yeah,
be,
you're definitely a Hufflepuff.
I guess
You're
but
more of a
I'm
Hufflepuff.
low key a nerd, smart nerd.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. It was an awesome look into how TV and movie magic really does occur. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite show is. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay magical.